So, do you have to be good, as in fast, in order to have a YouTube channel? Absolutely not. And I would like to say that I'm proof of that. You know, what is most important is that you have the desire, you have a camera, and something to say, something unique, something interesting, something people want to watch. You know, and I think when you really think about it, that's what's most important. What do you like to watch as you're on YouTube? Because if there is something that you enjoy, well, just do it. You can get better later.